Hey, this is Morgan, and in this video I'm going to share with you 9 exercises that will help reverse forward head posture and rounded shoulders. Let's get started. The first exercise is called the chin tuck. So you're going to take your index and middle finger, place them on the chin, and retract your neck. Hold it there for 3 to 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Great. The next exercise is called the neck extension with rotation. So you're going to start with a chin tuck, and then you go to extend your neck, and then you rotate it left and right. We're going to do this 10 times, okay? Great. The third exercise is going to be a neck flexion. So you're going to bring your chin to your chest, hold it there for 2 seconds, and then bring it back to neutral. So you're going to flex with an exhale. You can use your hand, place it behind your head to assist you in bringing your chin to your chest. Great. Now we're going to do neck rotation, okay? So you can use your fingers to guide you. You just place them right on the chin and then rotate your head as far as you can go, looking over your shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Okay, 10 times the other way. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to do lateral flexion. So that's ear to shoulder. So you're going to take your hand, place it over your head, take your other hand and arm, and put it right behind your back, like this. Deep breath, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold it for 2 seconds, repeat 10 times. We're going to transition into levator scapula stretch. So you just slightly rotate your nose to your opposite knee. Still hold the back of your head. You kind of move your hand from the side of your head, just the back, and then bring it down 2 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Okay, switch sides. Ear to shoulder, inhale, exhale. Now with the ear to shoulder, you can actually push your hand down toward your knee. So you anchor it down toward your knee as you're doing the stretch, and then you would bring it back behind your back as you're doing the levator scapula, all right? Ear to shoulder. 2 seconds, 10 times. Okay, levator scapula now. Hand behind the back. Excellent. So now we're going to do a shoulder extension scissor stretch, okay? So the way this works is your arms are going in opposite directions. Okay? Thumb like this. So your thumbs are going to go backwards. I'm stretching my subscapularis, all right? And it's also stretching the biceps at the same time. And you're slightly stretching the pec. So we do hold it for 2 seconds, 10 times. Okay, switch. Kind of like a toy soldier or nutcracker, right? Pec stretch. Ten times. So this is actually like a 10th move, but if you add them all up. So I might have been misleading when I said 9 stretches, but it's just good to get a little extra. Okay, one more. All right, now we're going to go into wall angels, all right? So you squeeze your shoulder blades together. You're forming a W. And then you extend up to a Y, all right? 10 times. Shoulder squeeze, 3 seconds. Form a W, and then a Y. I like to maintain a chin tuck as I'm doing this, and I bring my belly button into my spine. Try to stand straight. Inhale, exhale. And 10. Great. This is the last move, okay? I'm going to tilt the camera down just so you can see me. This is called the YTW exercise, all right? So you line your stomach, shoulder squeeze, and do Y's and W's, okay? 20 times, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that good? One more set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we're going to do 20 times the T. 10 times and then 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Break. Again, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Press yourself up. Excellent. So that was 9 or 10 exercises to help reverse forward head and rounded shoulders. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.